Do you know which country holds most of the time zones and which animal have no teeth in their upper jaw? In this video, you are gonna know so many interesting facts that your facial expression would be like this emoji. So let's begin our video. Just tell me that which country holds most of the time zones. Let me give you a hint. It is the largest country of the world. Comment your answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and time's up. Yes, you guessed it right. It's Russia. Russia holds 11 time zones of 24. Did you know that ruminants such as cows or sheep have no teeth in their upper jaw? It is because instead of teeth, they have a leathery substance known as dental pad. Have you ever thought that how hiccups are caused? They are caused due to a muscle which separates your chest from your abdomen. It also plays an important role in breathing. This contraction causes the vocal cord to close briefly, which produces sound of a hiccup. Birds of corvid family are so smart. They are so smart that they can create tools from twigs and can use them to dig insects.
Hey, why are you crying?
I am crying because nobody subscribes my channel.
Guys, please like his video and subscribe his channel because he does a lot of hard work to make these interesting videos.